Bafethu, abona le Kaizer Chiefs besibukwa namhlanje, these guys, they were just honoring the game, Bafethu. That's it. These guys, they are poor, Bafethu. In terms of the players they have, the coaching staff they have, even the management, Bafethu. What a poor performance from the Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje. I think they were even worse, Bafethu, from Soweto Derby. I think in Soweto Derby they were better, but namhlanje worse, Bafethu. The schoolboy mistakes they were doing, Bafethu. Aiden McCarthy, Bradley Cross, hi Bafethu. Those are schoolboy mistakes. Bruce Voma handling Yamshire. Umthetho bafethu, we can't even trap. I mean, Bruce Vuma, I have to give him those last saves in the dying minutes of the game, right? He actually, we saved Willie Kaizer Chiefs, right? But I want to congratulate Richards Bay. That's it. But in terms of their performance now, they're just a poor team. Let's be honest about it, Buffett. I mean, if you can miss a ball, a little 6-yard box just to tap in, if you can't score that, that just tells you about the team they are as well. But Buffett, to Kaizer Chiefs, and the only time they'll wake up after Kaizer Chiefs is when they start not making money from their brand, because that's where Kaizer Chiefs are thriving, their marketing side. But as soon as that starts drying up, I'm telling you, that is when Kaizer Chiefs will wake up. And unfortunately, it's also Tate's card, because Kaizer Chiefs, they can still sell their brand. They'll still make money for a lot of years. So the Kaizer Chiefs faithful, I feel sorry for them, because they are just going to watch a team that is going to be honoring their fixtures from now on until the end of the Betway Premiership. What a poor team, Bafethu. What a poor display from Kaizer Chiefs. Bafethu, what was that? Salute.
No, ilula lento ukuyilungisa. Ilula kabi lento ukuyilungisa. Akuvele nje kwenziwe ama-open trials, kumenywe wonke umuntu ofisa ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Amenywe, sivuke nathi sizozama. Avele siyozama nathi kuma-trials. That's the only way. Akuthathwe nombani odlule emgwaqeni kuthiwa wozozama ukuzodlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Mhlawumbe khona wento engcono ongayenza. Akubizwe nombani nje. Akwenziwa ama-trials kuthiwa no, come try for Kaizer Chiefs, because no keep always talking aye bafethu. It's too much. It's too much. Akwenziwa ama-trials kubizwe nombani ezozama ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sizozama. Sibone ukuthi yini esingayenza. Dog, this is embarrassing manje. Umuntu sezama ukuhilela i-weekend. Sesizama ukuhilela i-weekend okwenzeke nge-weekend. Ngiyasuka njengamanje and ama-fan ethu, ama-supporters e-Kaizer Chiefs awathengele amathikithi sagcwala i-stadium again. Sold out. Sold out. Sold out. You didn't care. No, sisele just pay. So show umoya kube mnandi, asizile uzodlala ibhola. Vele mina anzile ukuzodlala ibhola. Anzile. Dog, bizani nombani ezozama ukuzodlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sibizeni. Sibizeni sizozama. Ayisekho phela lento, ihlaze nje. Ihlaze nje. Ihlaze nje. Nifuna ukusitesta manje. Nitesta uthando lwethu. Nisitesta phela nina manje. But this Kaizer Chiefs bafana. Hayi, wena ngilala. Kuyongisiza. Ngiyivukela wena kusasa.
I-Kaizer Chiefs ibulewe ngenduku, ibulawa i-Richards Bay. If you watch the game, ayikho into emangazayo ngalento eyenzekile. First things first, lapha emuva sidlala nge-back 4 ehlanganisiwe nje, ihlanganiswe ngama-last minute. Uloku imeka suspension, as a result he had to play with 2 left-footed centre-backs. Isibulele leyo nto leyo, because that means uMcCarthy bekufanele abhekane noGumede, and uGumede bezenzela lapha kuMcCarthy. Gumede had a really good game, deserved the man of the match and the goal. The team is losing possession way too quickly. Abakwazi ukuhlanganisa 2 or 3, 5 passes consecutively without losing the ball. I mean, if you check the goal that was conceded by Kaizer Chiefs, uCross angimazi wenzani. uCross kuba kalalanga phasi, could have easily stopped that goal and prevented uGumede, Ibanizi from capitalizing, giving the ball to uGumede. So it's small errors like these that cost you games. Kodwa iChiefs nayo, come on, igame yonke abana shots on target. Hayi khona iyahlekisa lento eyenzeka lapha ya.
Yo, sorry, I'm stopping laughing. How the 30-point guess is on. Yo, Kaizer Chiefs. We are trying to stay positive. I'm trying. After Orlando Pirates in Kati, because I said I wanted Soweto to win. And I was like, okay, fine. Let me be positive let me have a positive outlook on everything. No matter what, let me try stay positive. But you guys are making it hard. You're making it very, very difficult. You're losing to the likes of Richards Bay once again. Another season we lose to Richards Bay. Could have just gotten a draw. Okay, sharp. Gotten a draw, we move on. And once again, I said I do not want to come on here and say, we missed chances. Serino could have hit that thing. McCarthy, once again, come on, we missed chances. We were unlucky. I'm trying to stay positive here, guys. I'm trying to find the positives, but it's hard. It's very hard. The game's locked at a stalemate. 58 minutes. You guys decide to make 2 subs. Okay. Because you want more from the midfield players in the wing and play. You want more. Then we go concede a goal. 9 minutes after the subs you made. Okay. Why that decision took place? I don't know. You take off Chislett and Serino. Okay. Interesting selection of players to take off. Whatever, the game carries on. Kaizer Chiefs do what they do. Can't even get angry anymore. Not even anger, because I know we sit here angry online, social media. Tomorrow morning, getting a trainer. These guys are... First, they're going to arrive. Let me tell you what's going to happen tomorrow. They're going to obviously drive back or fly back, whatever. Maybe they have a debrief session tomorrow and they'll train again on Thursday morning. Tomorrow they debrief, have a meeting, whatever. Maybe they watch some videos, what went wrong, something. Then Thursday morning they go in for early morning training session. They're going to be laughing, smiling, passing the ball to each other, doing rondos, jumping over the hurdles, warming up, stretching, laughing, giggling. Just jogging around the pitch to warm up, laughing, making jokes. So from now I'm going to stay positive. Try and look for the positives, because they're not bothered. They probably won't care. Why should I care so much then? This is where we are. A mid-table team. And I've come to terms with it. We are a mid-table team. Tonight, Vuma played well. Kept us in the game. Kept us alive in the game. Sometimes he made triple saves. But we lose. I don't even understand what game was being played. What I don't understand. It's like 11 strangers got together on the pitch and just said, make something happen. But yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, I'm not angry. Staying positive. Boys unlucky. Next we've got Durban City. Let's hope we can use Durban City as a stepping stone to get back to winning ways. Unlucky for today.
Isivele yakuphinda futhi lo kwiChiefs yasipha enye happiness. Isivele yakuphinda phinda. Yeah. Come again, Buffon. Yeah. I want was the sing amapagani deserve happiness angeke nikhalaze mna noba ngahlala kusenzeka kanje every day every weekend angandiva. Hello sisi, cela ubuza office ze Kaizer Chiefs ezo. Oh okay, good. Yes ndim ngudumelo Drong. Speak person sabalandeli beOrlando Pirates ne president yabalandeli bebhola eAfrica yonke jikelele. Every Africa. We are very excited. Sorry? hayi sisandizawuzonihleka sisindizonichekisha nyani sisandizawuzonihleka ndizonichekisha kaloku nina anika-recoverishi sisi ayikho right le nto yenziwa yi-Richards Bay ivuselela amanxeba because anika-recoverishi nakulaa nto ka-3-0 yo isha sorry eyi iphume ngemisteyiki le nto ka-3-0 yo iva ndiyayiphinda uxolo sisi mani bendingazimiselanga uyiphi usekhona utrofile we are very excited. Hiole ni Richards Bay. Hiole. Ozuzoibo.
Asoze ayikho into enje. Yeah, because alipheli owam uphelile. Owam umoya uphelile andisho nangepap ndi-right. Anibashayini nina nisese ezin abazihambele akudingakali noma sisibaxoshe the right khano the right no the right
hawu wabafana it's full time. Richards Bay 1 Kaizer Chiefs nothi umdlali phethwe Premiership uqeda kuphela nje lo mdlalo manje. Hey. Ngeke bafethu labo translator ngempela labo. Ngeke ngabona ama defender awu3 emuva a left footed wonke. Mfethu umuntu oyinxele yes. Most of the time umuntu oyinxele uba good ebholeni baba mnandi but mfethu 3 wabo. Lela bantu abahlezi besontekile labaya. Laba bahlezi besontekile labaya. Umuntu oyinxele ngisho echatha udryile ebheka ukuthi uzoshutheka. Udryile. Umuntu oyinxele uyingozi ngoba ngisho ephenduka ebusuku uyavuka ngeenyawo aphinda kuyele empedeni. Baba ukuthi ke mfethu bengizozisha inkinga ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngeenkinga zeteam njengale Kaizer Chiefs because I do believe ukuthi kunakusanda zabana umsebenzi uma ukhuluma ngeenkinga zabo and bavele bathi hlukana neChiefs phuma kuChiefs yasibhedela baze bakuthuke lapho mfethu uyabona labantu laba bababysitter abadlali babo you understand labantu laba benzisa okwabazali abanezingane zomalgajo entshontshe emzini yabantu beyiphikele befuna ukuthi baze babopha abantu abayishaya you understand mfethu ngibona uNemtajela umdlali othukiwe yes uthukiwe uNemtajela ku Instagram but after iderby he made comments wathi i-critics nezinkulumo ezimbi esithola ku social media sicabange zona sasebenzisa zona zazongena kulomdlalo sawina iderby ngo-3-0 understand nina manje ukubhebisisa abadlali nibavikela sinitshela ukuthi usibani uyaganga nithi nayiphuma usiyeke uzuthuka abantu abadlali bakho bazofunda kanjani ukudlala into ephilayo abadlali bakho bezofunda kanjani ukuthi ibhola lidlalwa kanjani bazofunda kanjani ukuthi yini kumele bayenze bazokwazi kanjani ukuthi nina nifunani as fans nina manje nje hayi no it's fine abet umdlali nimgqokisa ipampers abet umdlali nigqokisa abet ucoach nigqokisa nithi team yethu will not give up baba umdlali uyacriticizewa i-team iyacriticizewa even phesheya uRonaldo bayacriticizewa oMessi bayacriticizewa bahobanika abadlali beqembu lakho ungafuni nabacriticize kumnandi mangabe i-team ibhudluzwa kanje ngentuku kumnandi kuhle ku-right yini iZamalek eshaya iChiefs ngo-2-1 iStellenbosch sayishaya iChiefs ngo-2-1 iPirates eshaya iChiefs ngo-3-0 iRichards Bay eshaya iChiefs ngo-1-0 you understand i-team enkulu leyo is that what you call a big team mina ngiyisupport iChiefs but iyanginyanyisa le angiyisupport iChiefs iyanginyanyisa le yabo Efethi Richards Bay bikorobha ngeChiefs idominate 90 minutes yonke Richards Bay uvuma efethi credit must go to Vuma credit must go to Bruce Vuma hey why save the Chiefs uvuma ehlamba ngabe bo 5-0 baba beshaya amabhala abafana beRichards Bay bekonakele yabo ikakhulukazi umzuzu ka80 kuyale ku95 okade 85 minutes iChiefs lapha cisha conceded 3 goals ulandelana eChiefs ayikho kune video engiyenzile la prior le game ngathi league sibuyela ngononini ke manje ngithi sibuyela endaweni yayo
yo waze wakwata umuntu the Pirates futhi yo but ke isifafisi ningixolele yazi namhlanje ngikho right ngivuke nje mfethu iso lami livuvukele so yabo I'm feeling okay but nje coming into the game bafethu awukwazi ukuthi uyi-Kaizer Chiefs and you just lost a derby to Pirates with 3 goals bruh 3 goals with no response and then you come into the game Richards Bay besudlala kanje nami as a Pirates fan I am disappointed because namhlanje mfethu I was expecting iChiefs ukuthi ingene lapha egroundini with something to prove with bafethu nendenzeke ku derby it can't happen again but they were worse. They were worse. In fact, the first half, they were amahloni kumina. But I'm like, kwenzakala nge-Chiefs in fact. Uman Mrs. John made a video wathi if umthetho ubekhona ngedabi i-Chiefs mhlawumbe kade izoluza ngo-2-0 mhlawumbe ngo-2-1, but namhlanje umthetho bekakhona. What was umthetho doing? Ifake nebhande mfethu ukapteni. At this point mfethu nje mfethu angifuni ukukhuluma kabi nge-Chiefs mfethu because bakhona abantu aba-Chiefs ababuka le channel, but bafethu right now i-Chiefs is like, it's really bad. It's bad. Yo, omunye wakhomenta wathi abajimi balibele ukuthemba lawuthi leyo bathi indondlo yamanzi, bathe indondlo yamanzi ukuthi izofika nama Chiefs in fact team enkulu bafethu, and into engibasela because right now we have content creators in fact from Africa yonke, from Nigeria, and they watch PSL and they make content in PSL, and they talk about PSL and they talk about Sundowns, Pirates and the Chiefs. And every time when you talk about Chiefs, they bash Chiefs is a big team, but there's nothing to show for which they're a big team either. They're not fans. Even abantu abangaphandle like foreigners, they are not impressed with the way Chiefs are playing. Watch how they talk about Pirates. Watch how they talk about Sundowns. They respect those two teams because of what they do at grounding. How can you respect the Chiefs when players the Chiefs in Zaranje? At this point, if Vietnam is a Pax fan, but actually is no clegis, bra. Actually is because ngifuna ukuthi Chiefs imfethu dominate, but ngifuna Chiefs imfethu at least inabadlali abafuna ukuwina, like players who show hunger, bra. Because right now angazi kwenzakalani ukuthi Chiefs angazi, it's bad. Yo, namhlanje bethu like coming to the game, I was expecting Chiefs ukuthi win over 2-0 or 3-0 just to show ukuthi lento enzeke kwi-derby it can happen again, or it was a fluke. Even though bengo any fluke, like we were dominant like Spatrapil, but bekumele bethu namhlanje bekhombisa ukuthi siqeda kudlula kwi-derby in fact with our biggest rivals just defeated us. Not just defeated us, they humiliated us. Kumele bethu si show up, but yo bethu azini bafethu Chiefs nami ngizongikwathi Chiefs bethu ngayisupport. Okay, too late man bafethu ngizo-edita fast, so into engifuna ukuyisho nje ukuthi to everyone who subscribed so far, now umuntu osazosubscribe, ngiyabonga bafethu, and keep commenting, keep subscribing, comment and like, and just keep doing listening things bafethu. Like I really appreciate you guys doing that, and yeah, let's grow this channel. Sibone ukuthi in the next 3 years ukuthi sobesibhringa channel yabo bafethu. Ngiyabonga. But Chiefs ngeke kehla.